17918 West 86th Avenue, doing a sewer inspection after repairing the line in the front yard due to a about 20-foot valley in the front yard. We're 136 foot to the city sewer. There's the city sewer running by there. There's our tap connection into the main. Again, that was about 136 foot to the city sewer. We did run a bunch of water prior to scoping the line, flushing the toilets, running the sinks, and then also having the kitchen sink running as we're scoping it. There's where we connected on from our new pipe here to the original SDR that was there. So this section was where the valley was. You can see that the line is no longer holding any water. So 17918 West 86th Avenue. Sewer line has been tested and inspected after repairing the line and is flowing well at this time. No recommendations for sewer at this time.